Are you in the market for a high-end C4.0 NVMe SSD? If so, then you might have come across Corsair's MP600 Pro LPX. Our expert review team takes a closer look at this drive to see whether it's worth the money. In short, the Corsair MP600 Pro LPX isn't worth the money. This drive underperforms, runs inefficiently, and there are far better and more affordable options for everyday use. Let's start with the specs. This drive is available in 4 different capacities: 500 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB, at $57.99, $84.99, $154.99, and $464.99 at the time of review. The 2 TB model seems to be the most compellingly priced based on the other capacities. We recommend going for at least 1 TB, as that's optimal for high-end drives. It's good to see a 500 GB option available, however. Corsair warranties this drive for 350 TB, 700 TB, 1,400 TB, and 3,000 TB written for each capacity, respectively, for up to 5 years. In terms of performance, this drive can reach up to 7,100/6,800 megabytes per second for sequential reads and writes and up to 1,000K/1,200K IOPS for random reads and writes. So what is it about the Corsair MP600 Pro LPX that makes it a poor choice? Well, it's relatively inefficient and its performance is poorer than expected, based on its specs. It does stay cool, at least, and according to Corsair's website, it's designed to fit the PlayStation 5, making it a good fit. At the end of the day, however, its pricing doesn't match its performance, and there are several other SKUs that do what this drive does, but better. And, as if that wasn't bad enough, there are plenty of competing products that can match or beat this drive for less money. This means that the LPX seems like an afterthought at the end of the day, especially when you consider the many better options in a crowded market. Corsair also offers software support with a fair warranty. Its SSD Toolbox software displays information on the drive and its health. It also has options for secure erase, trim, and cloning. It's basic, but it gets the job done. The drive also comes with a minimalistic, black heatsink designed to keep it cool. We've confirmed that it has sufficient but not perfect thermal pad distribution, and there is 1 GB of DDR4. So, if you're in the market for a high-end C4.0 NVMe SSD, the Corsair MP600 Pro LPX isn't a good option. It underperforms, runs inefficiently, and there are far better and more affordable products on the market. It's designed to fit the PlayStation 5, but its pricing keeps it from being an ideal choice for a PS5. Our advice? Shop around for a better and more cost-efficient product that matches your needs.